Good morning from Uttarakhand. I'm here for a weekend getaway with my boys and we are staying at this beautiful hostel and I don't know what this is, but it's Ghost of Dehradun. And look at this place. They have these domes. We stayed in domes right up there. The weather is nice. It's monsoon, so you know how good it is. And my boys are right over there. And we're just gonna roam around and do whatever we want to do. And hopefully I'll be able to show you some things around. So stay tuned. It's starting to rain now, but that's not going to stop us. We're doing it, we're doing it. Woo. You can repurpose your towel as an umbrella, but it only lasts for so long. We are going to the waterfall that you must have seen in my previous videos if you follow it, and we're gonna do a trek. It's hard and it's raining, everything is slippy and sticky, so we're gonna do that. Our ride is here and let's see where this goes. We have started the trek to the waterfall and it's really steep. Check out that. As you can see, it's really steep, but I've been there like 4 times already, but every time I come back it's tiring. It's really tiring. We are going through the jungle and we have this really beautiful stream flowing right along us, and it's tiring. I'm sweaty as well. We're going there. I had to take off my glasses because they were getting really foggy and now I can't see, and I'm doing a jungle trek to a waterfall. That's already very it was already very dangerous to do. That was already dangerous to do. We have finally reached the waterfall and it is as majestic as ever. Check this out. And it's roaring and the water is pristine blue and it flows into the small water streams you can see there. I have a droplet on my lens. It's messing everything up, but I'm so happy. We have finally reached and we're gonna jump in the water. Woo! Let's go. Chale. 3, 2, 1. This is the best swimmer I've ever met, and even he can't go any forward. The water flow is so strong. Woo! 3, 2, 1, go. Baby, you give me We just had a really wonderful day in the waterfall water, and now we are trekking a little more far and we are going to a really special place. And I've been there before if you have seen the video, but it's one of the most pristine and beautiful lakes I've ever seen. We are halfway there and it's really steep and there's no trail at all to follow. We just have to go through all of these rocks and find that lake again. This water is coming from inside the mountain. There's literally no stream up there. It's literally coming from inside the mountain, and look at the flow. We are off-roading now. It's basically everything is off-road, but they're going from there and we're gonna go straight up. This is basically the trail. There's nothing. There's literally nothing. We're going through everything that's coming in our way. We can finally see it. We can finally see the lake. Look at this beautiful crystal clear water.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक
नहीं हुई. So shout out to this guy. Go follow him. Yash Solanki. 007. My name is Solanki. Yash Solanki. This is hectic. It's really hectic. But look at this lake. The fog is forming here. And it's starting to rain now. We are definitely going inside like we did the last time. Well, it's not going to be for very long. But we're definitely taking a dip. Definitely. Sarthak in the case of lost slippers. मेरे साथ भी वही हो गया. The best swimmer I've known all my life, and the guy who taught me how to swim, he's gonna make the dive in this beautiful water. Let's go!
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Woo!
Holy
Woo!
cheers to life.
I'm gonna throw this GoPro all the way to him, and he's gonna continue the video from there. Go a little behind if you can. Go a little further. Look at that guy go. Okay, off you go. So I'm the guy who's swimming, and the guy who's recording this, he taught me how to swim. The water is really cold, and that is really amazing. Look at this guy go.
हाँ यार एक बार शरीर गीला करोगे ना अच्छा.
Having fun always has a cost.
उसका हाथ पकड़. नहीं रुक जा एक बार फोल्ड कर.
आओ ना यार. Photo video.
यार पीछे और आपको भेजते हैं.
We are finally out of the water now, and it's 4:30 in the evening. We're packing up because we have a long way back, so we're gonna go do that. And I think we're not gonna do anything else. Maybe go to Rishikesh, but I don't know. And we'll probably end up in Dehradun tonight. But let's see where this goes, or this ends here. I don't know. कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा भाई.
तेरे नाम हमने किया है.